Greetings everyone, I am Naz.
I am Varenya.
And I am Simriddhi.
Today we are excited to introduce our project Fire Rescue Rover.
The project integrates into innovative technology to create a unique and efficient system designed to address critical safety concerns.
The tools we use in this project include an Arduino board, motor detection, sensor, LED lights, wheels and a reliable power supply. Each of these components play a crucial role in ensuring the system works efficiently and autonomously.
Here's how it works. The sensors detect fire using real-time input and the data is processed by the Arduino board. The motor driver then guides the rover towards the sensor for the system status.
This project has a wide range of applications beyond just fire safety. For example, it can be adapted for tasks like delivery systems, obstacle avoidance, robot smart transportation solution as an education tool for learning robotics and programming.
Our project's versatility also makes it highly adaptable. It can scale up for industrial use or customized for smaller specific environments like homes or offices.